Hello guys, how can we share the predictive systems while presenting the solutions using PowerPoint? So we can see like when we increase the seed amount, it should be like getting higher the predicted crop yield. So this model is running using the Pythons like the fixed effect and random effect, and then we can make these practical solutions using these architectures, yeah, orchestrating the analytics of the Python, Jupyter, and Voila while deploying this practical solution using this Power BI. Then we can easily present using this PowerPoint. So we can turn from these bit complicated solutions. This is just for everyone who have a greater or good knowledge in the analytical solution, and then we can turn to this inclusive solution so everyone like the sales force, the marketers, everyone, even the front line, they can make the predictions, yeah, as simple as possible, as quickly as possible. So this is how we can leverage the value to our clients, yeah, throughout more than 20 project experience in the last year. So guys, thank you for uh, your time. uh, Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.